Hey Nancy, it's Patty Ann here from pattyannsplace.blog, and I also have a YouTube channel, Patty Ann's Place. But anyway, I think this is what you're trying to do. So let me come over here and grab a circle first, and I'll draw a circle over here, holding down my Shift key to make it uniform or total circle. I'll change its color just because I don't like that color. And then I'm going to make the other ovals that you had done. So I've already drawn one right here, but let me make another one. So I just drew a circle, an oval, because that's what it looked like you had actually. So I drew an oval, and then just to make it look a little tiny bit lacy, I did an internal offset and applied. And then I just right clicked and said make compound path, and that made it a ring basically. And so I'm just going to make it have the same color as the other part. And I'm going to bring that right over here to the top like this. Okay, and then you wanted to have it go the whole way around the circle easily. So what I did was I came over here to the replicate panel, clicked on that, and then I clicked on this third button over that says object on path, and I clicked on that. And since this object is selected, this is the one that will be on the path. So I'm going to show the grab handle, and I'm just going to grab it and just kind of bring it around, and that made a whole bunch of them around there. I can change the number of repeats right down here. Maybe I just want 10 and hit enter. Makes 10. I can make more if I want to. Let's make a few more. They can actually overlap like that. And then if I want to, I can just go ahead and grab everything and weld it. Right click and weld. And it looks just like that. So maybe that's what you're looking for. I'm not sure. Hope this helps. Remember, you can follow me on YouTube at Patty Ann's Place. Thanks, you guys. Bye.